Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Hacky Nerds. Today we will continue our command line series and discuss about the command mv. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
This is the future.
So first let me open my terminal from Ctrl Alt and T. So first let's discuss about the structure of this command. So the structure of this command is as same as our cp command, like mv, then there are some options like -i or -v, and there is source file or folder, whatever it is, and then destination. Alright, so by help of this command you can move the content from one file to another file and from one folder to another folder. Let's clear this all. Now let's say I want to rename this file, here the name2.txt, to name3.txt. So let's see how we can do this. First we will have to change our directory to desktop. Type cd space desktop, and now let's type mv name2.txt name3.txt and hit enter. As you can see, it changed this file's name. Let's check the content inside our name3.txt file. Get name3.txt. So basically it moved the name2.txt file's content to name3.txt. Now let's clear the screen. So now let's say I want to move this name3.txt file to this folder. So just type mv name3.txt and Hacky Nerds. So let's check the content inside our Hacky Nerds folder. Type ls Hacky Nerds. Let's check the content of name3.txt file as well. So change directory to Hacky Nerds and type cat name3.txt. So as you can see, the same message. Alright, now let's clear the screen and again go back to desktop. Now let's again create another file with the same name as name3.txt. Type cat name3.txt and then type some random text here and press Ctrl D to exit. So it created a file with the name name3.txt. Now inside my Hacky Nerds folder, there is already a file with the same name name3.txt. So if I move this file to this folder, then it will overwrite the content of our old file. Like there was a message, hi there. It will overwrite that message with this random stuff. Let me show you this first. So move name3.txt to Hacky Nerds and hit enter. So now let's check the content inside our name3.txt file. cd Hacky Nerds, cd Hacky Nerds, and then cat name3.txt. As you can see, it overrided our old file. So how we can stop this overriding? So to stop this overriding, we just need to use flags as we did in our cp command. You can check out the video, I provided the link in description. So let's again move to our desktop, cd, clear the screen. So the flag which we are going to use is -i. First let's create another file, cat name3.txt, and type anything. Press Ctrl D. So let's see how to use that flag. mv -i name3.txt to Hacky Nerds. Alright, so this time it will ask me to overwrite that old file. So press Y to yes and N to no. I don't want to overwrite that file. So N and hit enter. As you can see, it doesn't move our file to Hacky Nerds folder. So let's clear the screen. Now let's say I want to move this Hacky Nerds folder to this Python folder. So again we just need to do the same thing. First mv Hacky Nerds and Python, and it will move our directory to that Python directory. Let's check ls Python. As you can see, it moved our directory. But what if I want to move this Python directory to another directory which doesn't exist? Like I want to move this Python directory to my Java folder, but there is no folder Java on my desktop. So let's see what will happen. Type mv python java and hit enter. Let's check the content of the Java folder, ls java. So as you can see, it moved the content of our Python folder to our Java folder, not whole Python folder. So whenever the destination directory exists, This command will move whole source folder, but if the destination doesn't exist, then it will just move the content of that folder. Alright, so that's all about our mv command. Now if you want to know more about this command, you can type man mv, and there are lots of stuff here, and press Q to exit. So that's all about today's video. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, then press that like button and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.